Hey guys, so, hi Reese. Today we're doing something about my brothers are making burgers. Both of my brothers making burgers, and I'm going to do a taste test. Then vote who has the best one. My other brother, Zach, always adds too much seasoning. So let's see this time.
Well, mine was trying to kill me, that's what you said.
Mine is nice, a lot of juices.
Mine looks burnt like my butt cheek. It looks like a hole, actually.
Burger's not? Yep.
Try not to kill myself with all the juices.
What?
See, that's just from a little bit of squeeze on.
What can I do?
Really, that's all you got?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta try both.
I gotta try both. Hey!
The right butt cheek or the left butt cheek? Mmm.
I taste tested Nick first. Nick's!
Yeah.
Try Zach's now. Let me have a taste test.
Mine. My flavor.
This has a nice crisp, a nice juiciness from just a little piece. I like. Oh, Zach. This tastes like a burger, but it tastes good. I like Zach's, and since Zach has so much fun, I'm probably gonna use this in the burger. No, no. Fine, I'll make my own burger.
No, I got that one.
Huh?
There we go.
Fatty taking Zach's burger.
There we go, man. Shut up, doggy. I'm gonna shove chopsticks up your butt. You can do it.
Why? My burger?
Oh, yeah, right. Let me see.
I think you make better burgers than me. Yeah, Zach made better. Mine might have less flavor and juice. Zach's has crispy. Hi? No.
That is the most plain, unjuiciest thing. You want butthole splatter style? You better cut it out.
No!
Grace. You stay down. Stay down.
He just wants my burger.
My burger.
It's mine now. No! If you're hungry for burgers, ask for them for dinner. Or if you want some, just ask for them. Not to me, to your parents. Yeah, because they really are good. I wouldn't blame you if you wanted them. Zach is a chef, but this time he didn't add seasoning. Sorry, but no. Don't attack me. Sorry, but I can't. It's my fault.